Hello, wonderful person. This is Pakmo. But before we start this video, make sure to smash that subscribe button and ring the bell button.
Subscribe.
Subscribe and like this video. Okay, so
You're talking about art, right?
yeah, we were talking about Earth. The Earth is 4.6 billion years old. And life began on Earth 2.4 billion years ago. And human, we began on Earth 10,000 years ago.
10,000.
Yes, dinosaurs went extinct. I think
How the
when
became
just
Earth?
after Pangea formed. So when Pangea was forming, this is water.
Oh, really?
This whole entire thing is water. This whole entire thing is water. Yeah, Earth is formed by a baby Earth where there's only a little asteroid, then more asteroid collided together until it formed it forms a massive enough object that it could be round. And then but when Earth was a baby, when it's just became round, it was very hot. It wasn't like this. It was 2,000 degrees Fahrenheit.
No, don't fight no.
And
What does she want?
and then there's the Ice Age. After the bug's life, after the bug life, there was the Ice Age, where there was a lot of ice. It was like Antarctica. It was like Antarctica all over the world, all over Earth. But then there's still heat inside our Earth core that melts up those ice. It takes millions and millions of years, but it just melts up and form life again.
Stay on trail because whenever you step on this stuff, the flowers won't ever come back.
Okay.
So where you're staying.